In order to create a number line to solve this problem in this assignment, we need to solve 24 times 2 equals p. In order to do that, I'm going to click on 24 times 2. It's underlined and it's a different color, which tells me it's a link. If I click it, this link pops up. And here I have my number line toolbar to help me solve 24 times 2. Now, there are two buttons down here that we are going to primarily use. You're going to use this jump bar and this tick mark button. Okay? I'm going to begin my number line with 0. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to type in 0 and done. Now we know we don't start in the middle of our number line. I'm going to drag it all the way to the beginning, like that. I'm going to start with the number 4. So I have 0, and I'm going to jump and add 4, like so. And I can make this a little smaller. There we go. Oops. Okay. So when I add 4 to 0, I get 4. So my next tick mark needs to be 4. And I can drag that over. Okay. Now, I'm going to add 4 again. So I'm going to do my jump, make it a little smaller. There we go. And I'm going to add 4 again. 4 plus 4 is 8. So my tick mark needs to say 8. Like that. All right. So we have 4 plus 4 equals 8 so far. We need to get to 24 times 2, which is like doubling 24, except we are working through it another way. Now I am at 4 plus 4. So I'm going to add another 4. I'm going to jump a 4 again. And 4 plus 4 is, you're right, 12. So I'm going to make another tick mark, type in 12, and drag it over. Now, how can I get from 12 to 24? Because that's where we need to start. I can double 12, you're right, and get to 24. 12 plus 12 is 24. So instead of jumping by 4s right now, I can jump by a big 12. Because you know, 12 plus 12 is 24. Which means this tick mark will be 24. All right, I am at 24, but I need 24 times 2. So what could I jump from 24 to get 24 times 2? That's correct. I can double 24. Anytime I multiply a number times 2, I am doubling it. I'm adding it to itself. So I can make one more big jump. 24 plus 24. And my last tick mark is going to be 4 plus 4, which is 8. 8 plus 4, which is 12. 12 plus 12, which is 24. And 24 plus 24 is, you're right, 48. So 24 times 2 is 48. Now we have our solution. We have to learn how to copy and paste. I'm going to click down here where it looks like an arrow is coming out of the box. That's our share button. If I click on share, I have a few options. My direction was to copy and paste. I'm going to copy my image, and it takes a screenshot of my solution. I'm going to right-click my mouse. That means I'm going to click the right side of my mouse, and I'm going to click on Copy Image. If I return back to my original slide, do you remember this? I need to paste it in this box. We learned last week how to paste. You can go up to Edit and Paste. Oh, and look, there's our solution, but it's a little big. We're going to need to resize it. So I can drag from the corner blue box and make it a little smaller. Or make it a little bigger so we can see our solution. And that is how you copy and paste. I hope this helps.